I'm Snehal Batra, one of the managing attorneys at NPC Law Group. I recently posted 2 videos on the L-1A basics, and today I'm going to talk about the importance of the business plan for the new office filing. And so many of my immigration clients ask me whether a business plan is required, followed by, can I write it myself? And the simple answer to that question is yes, a business plan is absolutely required, and please do not attempt to write it yourself. And then they come back and say, well, how about you write it for me? And unfortunately, we don't write business plans. We are immigration attorneys. And we advise them to hire a qualified professional to write the business plan. And it's important to note that the business plan for immigration purposes is very different than a business plan that you would write for an investor or a bank. And the business plan is an extremely important part of the L-1A new office petition, especially for smaller companies. So it's not only required, but it's also one of the most important documents in the case because it often determines whether or not your case is going to be approved. And so a comprehensive business plan is critical to explain the overall goals and operations of the U.S. business and how the applicant is qualified, his or her skills, education, background, and experience to successfully start and grow the U.S. business. The business plan really needs to include some key things. The main one, of course, is the company ownership and relationship between the two entities. It really should describe fully the product or services that the U.S. company is going to be offering. It also needs to include an analysis of the market in detail, including who the potential customers are, who the competitors are. It also typically will include a marketing strategy. How is the business going to market themselves in the U.S.? Another key aspect of the business plan is the 5-year projection in sales, costs, and income. This is all done by the qualified professional company that prepares the business plan. It really needs to present complete details regarding the organizational structure, including the hiring plan, and complete job descriptions of all those employees. So again, immigration expects to see a comprehensive business plan. Therefore, it's strongly recommended that you work with a professional who's familiar with these requirements so that you have the best chance in succeeding in your L-1A filing. I just want to leave you with one last tip. I urge all clients to really be realistic and think about the business plan. Don't exaggerate. Many times clients feel that, if we say we're going to hire 10 people in the first year, that immigration is going to be really excited and, prove the case. But, in reality, you really need to be realistic because if you're going for the new office L-1A, in year 2, you're going to have to file an extension. And immigration is going to go back to that business plan and see whether or not you were able to carry out all the goals that you listed in your business plan. So be realistic. We'd like you not only to meet those goals, but exceed those goals when you go back for that extension. And that really, gives you a very strong extension application. So work with a professional in preparing the business plan. We will assist you in putting the rest of the new office L-1A petition together. And, I hope to be able to help you in getting this done. So thanks for watching and stay tuned for some additional videos. Thanks so much. Bye.